Oh my gosh, it is raining. But good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna be switching out my bumper that I currently have right now. Here's a quick look because of this right here. Again, it's cracked. So yeah, what the hell happened here? Oh. Okay, I never seen that. Hope it didn't break. Okay. So I don't have much time, so I'm gonna get to changing the bumper. So yeah, I'm gonna jack it up, and I think the easiest way, so I won't have to like turn the wheels to get to these clips right here, I'm gonna just take off the wheels once I have it on jack stands. But yeah, let you guys see that. Okay, ran into a problem. The car is too low, so I need to get it on top of some blocks. Okay, so one thing I noticed, the jacking point is really close. I thought it was gonna be far back, but this is really nice. It's up front, you can easily jack it up. But yeah, I'm gonna get it up. Okay, well, it looks like I'm not gonna take off my wheels because the aftermarket lugs that this car has one that's bigger and it looks very stripped. So yeah, I'm not gonna deal with that right now. So I'm gonna just tighten these lugs right now and just jack up the car, and I guess I'm gonna have to just turn the wheels to take these screws out. Okay, so I've never been under my car before, and I noticed two things. Well, one thing, but on each side. Where the pinch welds are at, I don't know what the previous owner did, but they're like fucking bent. They should be straight down, and they're like bent. I don't know what they were trying to put there. I don't know if they're trying to lift it from there. I have no idea, but they're bent. I don't know how that even happened. But yeah, that's one thing that I noticed. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the jack there just for some safety, and I'm gonna start taking off the bumper. Okay guys, so this side marker is pretty frustrating to take out, because you gotta basically push this pin in order to take this out, and you cannot break this or it won't bolt back onto this piece right here on the car. So yeah, I got this one out. I showed you guys earlier, the other one was like poking out already somehow. I don't know, I never seen it poking out like that, but that's cool. Now I'm just gonna take off all the clips and screws on the bottom. Okay, so let me explain to you what just happened. Well, there's screws up here, and this one got fucked. It's not focusing, but it's basically fucked. I don't know how that happened. I was like using the same exact the same exact Phillips head screwdriver for all of them, and I don't know why this one decided to get fucked. This is how it's supposed to look, and this one got fucked. I swear it's always me. So I'm gonna try to take it off with some pliers or something. See if I can take it off. Okay, so I took this damn bolt out now, and this bolt is wrecked. So I don't know where I could go get one. I don't know if the Subaru dealership has these, but I need to pick one up. I don't really need it now since this is held on by multiple screws up here and clips, but yeah, I swear, like, this always happens to me with like every car. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to figure out how to take off that housing, and I'm just gonna do the same thing over here, take off the screws, so this could be quicker. So I'll come back to you guys once I have all of that off. Okay, so I got the housing out. Wasn't that hard, pretty simple. So yeah, I got all the pieces there. And the other fog light over there. So now I'm gonna put on the new one, and I'm gonna make some space because I do not want to scratch this new one at all. So yeah. Okay, so I got it back on. It's not held on completely, but just to show you guys, what do you guys think? Does the color match? I think it does, but I obviously will need to take it out into the sunlight to make sure 100% that it matches. But from what I see right now on the camera, it looks kind of weird. Like it looks too bright up here. Let me check if I could get this angle for you guys. No, it's still horrible. But see, that's the original. Fucked up right here. I think I did that right there, trying to put this bumper on my own. Hate imperfections on my paint. I need to really detail it. But yeah, that's the new bumper, and I feel like it came out pretty good. And the guy that painted it for me, pretty good, cool guy. He gave me a good deal to paint the bumper. Really, really good deal actually, not just a good deal. And it came out good, and I'm probably gonna go back to him if I ever need anything else painted. But yeah guys, I'm going to just put on all the clips and bolts and all that other stuff and head out the garage because I gotta leave soon. And that bumper over there, I got a project for it. I'm gonna be doing a couple things, so if it comes out good on that bumper, I'm gonna do it on this new bumper because I got a couple ideas. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna have a couple more installs coming up, so keep on the lookout for next week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.